Hello all, welcome to my channel. In the previous videos of basics of Kotlin, we discussed about the variable, if expression, when expression and different kind of loop, that is the for loop and while loop. Now today we will discuss about the post test loop, and that is the do while loop. So let me first create the file. So I'm just clicking on src folder. Here you can just right click new. You can select the Kotlin class file over here, and then you can give the name of your file, that is the loop demo 3, and here you can just double click on file. So your new file will be created, that is the loop demo 3.kotlin file. Let me write the main function over here. So I'm just writing here the main function. Now how the do while is running on. Do while loop first execute the code, then it checks for the condition. If the condition is true, then it will repeat the block of the code. Otherwise, it will not repeat, but at least once it will execute. For example, let me declare here variable I is equal to 1. Now I'm writing here that is do, and here you can write while, and here you can write the condition. For example, until and unless the I is less than or equal to 10, print the value, and the value is that is $I. Then here you can just increment the value of I, and then you can simply run this loop demo 3.kotlin file. Whenever you run this, you will get the output, that is the from 1 to 10 numbers, and that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. The same thing you can do using the while, but what is the difference between do while and while? The basic difference is while is the pre-test loop. If the condition is false, then it will not execute a single time, but do while will execute at least once. For example, suppose if I am writing here the condition, that is while I is greater than 10, the condition is false. Condition is false, but still 1 will be printed over here. Let me run this. Here you can just click on run loop demo 3, and you will get the output, that is 1. Why? Because do while will execute at least once even if the condition is wrong, but while will execute if and only if the condition is true. So do while is known as a post test loop. It executes at least once. Now I want to give you an example of the manual driven application that you can do using the do while loop. So I'm just writing here, and that is print, and I'm asking to the user that enter number 1. Then here you can just write variable number 1 is equal to read line, and then you can cast it into integer. Let me copy this because I want to take another number from the user, and that will be the number 2. So here you can just declare number 2 is equal to. Now I'm getting the two numbers from the user. One is the number 1 and another is the number 2. Now what I want to do, I want to give you a menu to the user that what you want to do, addition, subtraction, what kind of operation you want to do. So I'm just writing here, and that is do. I'm just writing here while, and here in a while you can just write here that I want to run the loop up to choice not become to 0. Now what is choice? So I'm just writing here variable choice is equal to, that is -1. Now here you can just provide the option to the user, and that will be what? 1 for addition, and here you can just write 2 for, and that is subtraction. And definitely I need to use here, that is the print line. I'm also using here, that is print line. Now what I want to do, I just want to ask to the user that enter your choice. Print enter your choice. I'm just initializing the value, that is ch is equal to read line, and you can cast it into integer. Now you can pass this particular value inside the when expression, and here you can just write if it is a 1, then what you want to do, then I just want to print the message, and that is what, that is a slash n sum is equal to, now I'm just writing here that is dollar, and here you can just make the addition of the two numbers, that is number 1 plus number 2. You can just copy this particular statement, and here you can do what, if it is an option number 2, then I want to give the message that is subtraction is equal to number 1 minus number 2. You can do the same thing for the multiplication and division if it is required. And if it is a 0, then I just want to give the message to the user, and the message is what? And that is thanks, bye. So here you can just simply save this particular code and you can click on run. Whenever you click on run, it will ask you to run the loop demo3.kotlin file. Your file will be executed. Now it is asking me for the numbers. For example, if I am entering the numbers, that is 25 and the second number is 23, then it is asking me for the option what you want to do. I want to make the addition. If I press 1, it will says that the sum is equal to 48. If I says the second option, that is 2, then it will says that the subtraction is equal to 2. Why? Because 25 minus 23 is equal to 2. And if you press here 0, then it will says thanks and bye. You can give this particular option, that is 0 for exit, over here also. So here you can just write the same println, and here you can just give the message to the user, that is 0 for exit. So this is the way you can use the do while efficiently in your program. That's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.